Hey, Barry Buckner here, CEO of GTMA and Evernote AI. Let's have a real talk about AI, because there's a lot of noise out there, and honestly, most of it's just plain wrong. So today, we're going to clear it up. Let's get into it. AI is not here to steal your job. It's not some robot overlord waiting to take over leasing offices or replace marketers. What AI does is help you do your job faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. You know those repetitive tasks you do over and over again? Write the same email, crafting captions for 12 properties, resizing images for social? Yeah. AI handles that so you can go back to the creative, strategic, people-powered stuff that actually needs your brain. AI is not a replacement for creativity. It can help with ideas, speed up production, and even suggest new approaches, but it's your vision, your voice, and your storytelling that makes it all come to life. AI is not a one-size-fits-all machine. It learns from you. You train it, you guide it, and the better you direct it, the more powerful it becomes as your assistant, not your replacement. At GTMA and Evernote AI, we use AI to amplify human talent, not erase it. This isn't about less people, it's about more impact. I'm Barry Buckner, and the future of work isn't AI instead of you, it's AI next to you. All right, catch you on the next one.